Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Electrum Minecraft step by step. Start by finding a reputable Electrum mod download and save it to your computer. Always back up your Minecraft worlds and profile before adding mods. Install the correct fabric or forge loader for your Minecraft version, then place the Electrum mod jar into the mods folder and launch a test world to confirm items appear and work properly. First, download the fabric or forge installer that matches your Minecraft release and run the installer. Next, obtain the Electrum mod jar from a trusted site and verify integrity using checksums or community comments. Make a separate folder for backups of original game files and your world saves. Move the Electrum jar into the mods folder for the selected loader, then launch Minecraft to ensure the mod loads without errors and functions as expected. After placing the Electrum jar inside the mods folder, start Minecraft using the fabric or forge profile you installed. Watch the game logs for any errors and confirm the Electrum mod appears in the mods list. Open a new creative world to spawn or craft Electrum items and test their behavior without risking your main saves. If issues occur, check mod compatibility, remove conflicting mods, and try again until everything runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.